Hello guys. One of my subscriber friends asked me to make a video in English regarding the light body activation and the plasma event topic. So I'm making a short video in English guys. So as we all know, we had a great grand solar eclipse in the month of December of the year 2019. On December 26, 2019, the seven planet conjunction of the eclipse happened in a star called Moola. Actually, the seven planet conjunction happened in the zodiac of Sagittarius, but majority happened in the star of Moola. So Moola is a star which is equal to Laseth. So Laseth, here you can see that Laseth, some of the Hindu authorities taking in all the stars from epsilon to epsilon call the whole Moola the root. So Moola star is nothing but the Laseth, which is the tail of the Scorpio. As we know that Moola is which is the 17th star of Hindu or Vedic astrology is the galactic center of the universe. So here is the tail of Scorpio. This is the Moola. So Moola, according to the Vedic astrology, the deity which is ruling Moola is nothing but Kali. So Kali is a goddess. She is only Sophia. She is only Rajeshwari. She is only the feminine or the divine energy which is residing in the center of the universe. So what happened on the eclipse day was there was a huge energy blast, a plasma blast, which happened at the center or the same star or at the center of the universe, which had resulted to the plasma event. Okay, this is a short image guys, small image. So as you can see, the green sun is at the North Pole. So what happens is the green sun is the pure energy through which we are able to see the aurora borealis at the North Pole. So what happens is the green sun emits pure energy. So this energy is received by the regular sun or the bright sun, which we see regularly in the morning sky. And these rays fall on us. So we humans or we souls receive these energies. And what happens is our pineal gland or the third eye gets activated, and all the negative things or the negative aura gets cleansed, due to which, due to this plasma event which happened after the grand solar eclipse, we all souls will attain a light body. We the light body or the Merkaba gets activated in us, so that we can go to these northern lands. So in order to go to these northern lands, because these northern lands are not visible by our 3D eyes, we need a new light body because they are in higher dimensions. These beautiful lands are at the extreme North Pole. So in order to go there, we need a special body or a light body. In a simple terms, to keep it in a simple terms, we are calling it as a light body. Sorry guys, ignore these diagrams. I mean, the way I have drawn. Anyways, this is, so at last, to make it even more clear, the green sun is at the center of the North Pole, and from this green sun, the pure energy of consciousness, pure energy is received by this regular sun, and through this regular sun, we receive the pure energy, and there will be a shift in consciousness. There will be a major shift. So this is a similar thing, the Kundalini tradition, which is practiced in mostly in India, even by Westerners, of course, but the origin was, of course, by the Indian or the traditions. Anyways, here the serpent or the root chakra has the serpent forces, and after crossing all these chakras, when the serpent force or the Jivatma's force reaches the cranium or the Sahasrara chakra, he gets out of the body and attains his astral body and he can go anywhere. So this plasma event is also similar to that. We get light bodies and we reach to the northern lands, or we can go anywhere. If anyone, any soul wants to live in this matrix, they can live happily. If anyone wants to go to their true homes or the North Pole or the Shambhala, you can go there. So this is the video, guys. Thank you very much.